freaking love this guitar. I made this guitar in about a day and a half at the first East Durham Makers Camp with Maker Made CNC. I had a blast there, and I'm going to show you some film of me making this guitar at the show. And also, all the music you're going to hear in the background of this show was made using this guitar, all the guitar playing at least. So some of it was just done live in the shop here in front of the camera, and some of it was done at home in the computer with proper mics and stuff. Check it out. I'll see you in a minute. I've said it a million times before, but anytime you see a product or a company sponsoring a video here, it is very heavily curated by me. I don't just take anybody here. They're all companies that I have a personal relationship with, and products I believe in, and companies I believe in. This video is no exception, and the people that make the Maker Made CNC are also no exception. I've said this a gazillion times too. This is not a $10,000 like large format CNC machine. This is a $500 large format CNC machine, and it is unfair to compare it to its brothers that cost literally 20 times as much. For what this machine costs, what it can do is far beyond anything that I ever expected of it. And it gets you in the game for 500 bucks, you know, plus a router and plus some wood and stuff. You're looking like 700 bucks all in. Chris and Pat and the rest of the crew at Maker Made CNC, they're constantly trying to make their product better, and they rely on the input of people like us. These guys are sharp, and they're going to figure it out. And also, there's this whole community of other like-minded people in their forums that share their stories and share their fixes and solutions. So there's a wealth of knowledge out there. This guitar was made of 10 layers, and they all lined up perfectly, and the neck fit perfectly. As I drew it, the pocket was dead on. The machine has the ability to do whatever you want it to do. It's all there. It's up to you. MakerMade CNC has also gotten into making 3D printers. So we printed some guitar knobs at the show next to a CNC machine with sawdust in the air and everything, and they came out fine. And then I went and set up my machine at home, and I just began experimenting with it with my son Vance Maker. And we printed some guitar knobs as well as some other stuff, and I'm just blown away. If you go to MakerMadeCNC.com and you type in the code TimSway15, you will get 15% off of whatever you purchase there, plus free shipping. TimSway15, MakerMadeCNC.com, go get you some.
Yeah.
Kind of a performance piece, you know.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I get the pictures.
While I made the body on the Maslow CNC, I used one of my DIY guitar kits that I sell at newperspectivesmusic.com. I actually used the original guitar kit that I used in the video to make the guitar to demo the kit. I took that guitar apart and put all of the parts on here. If you're interested in that, go check out newperspectivesmusic.com and you'll see the links. The kits come in a variety of packages and sizes. Some have pickups, some don't. So check that out and drop me a line if you have any questions. Now, also, I should point out that when I got back from Maker Camp, I did take this guitar apart and reassemble it here at my shop. I put different pickups in because I wanted to save those kit pickups for another guitar I'm working on, and I reset the neck and everything and tuned it all up and stuff. So that's why the pickups look a little bit different. But I'm glad I got to do it here again at the shop because I've got an even better setup on it than I was able to do out in the cold in the field, and it's just been playing great. Again, TimSway15 at MakerMadeCNC.com to get 15% off plus free shipping, your own Maslow CNC or 3D printer or whatever else. And these are the kind of people that you want to shop from. They are the good guys. So check it out. Thanks, guys. Be good.
I didn't ask you to do that. Please stop it.
No, we were talking because we're both from Cleveland, and where we work is like down the street from each other.
Continue narrating. Like the whole thing.
Hey, Paul. Hey, what'd you do this weekend?
I made that.
You made half a hammer? I made that. Yeah.